Rather than override those aircraft, they maintain their currency and their efficiency in the T-38 because it's much more economical, cost-effective, and still in most past conditions. There's still the aircraft here to use, and on these passes whenever we look at 2 or 3 passengers, you'll see a different formation each time you come around, which will demonstrate not only what the training pilots fly, but also how our Air Force pilots keep in top shape. Truckee Air Show now, the 3-ship Delta. The Northrop T-38, as we said, is a supersonic jet training aircraft. These 3 aircraft have all been modified through the years. Each of the cockpits in the aircraft, the front and rear, now also sport what we call a glass cockpit. No longer are the conventional gauges. We joke about it now, but we call them steam gauges, the old-fashioned type gauges that you will find in aircraft. They're slowly being replaced from the top down, and they have found their way into general aviation aircraft. But now, the entirety of the instrument panel in the T-38 is a glass cockpit with everything computerized as the echelon relative information. The number 3 aircraft not only will focus on the lead, but also on the number 2 aircraft in the middle of the formation.